Ksamil is one of the most talked about coastal villages in southern Albania. Located along the Ionian Sea, it sits just a short distance south of the larger town of Sarandë, and only a few kilometres from the Greek island of Corfu. At first glance, the place almost looks like it belongs in the Mediterranean rather than the Balkans. With pale sand, shallow turquoise water, and a handful of small islands just offshore. Getting to Ksamil is relatively simple if you already are based in Sarandë. The distance is just about 14 kilometres and the drive usually takes around 20 minutes. Local buses run frequently along the coastal road, especially during warmer months, and taxis are also easy to find along the Sarandë promenade. If you prefer a slower pace, some travellers even cycle the route, which follows the coastline and passes through small villages and olive groves. Despite its popularity on social media, Ksamil is actually a very small place. The permanent population is estimated to be around 3,000 residents. In summer, however, that number increases dramatically as visitors arrive across Europe and the Balkans. Beach clubs, restaurants, and small hotels fill the shoreline, giving the village a lively seasonal atmosphere. One of the most distinctive features of Ksamil is the group of islands just offshore. They sit only a short swim or paddle away from the main beach, and on calm days, you will often see people kayaking or swimming across to explore them. The water here is unusually clear and shallow, which is one reason Ksamil has gained a reputation for one of the most beautiful beach spots in Albania. Just a few minutes away is another major attraction, Butrint National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage site lies about 4 kilometres south of Ksamil and contains one of the most important archaeological sites in the region. The ruins date back thousands of years and include Greek, Roman, and Venetian structures, all layered on top of one another. Many travellers combine a beach day in Ksamil with a visit to Butrint, making this area a mix of natural beauty and ancient history. Today, Ksamil has become one of the highlights of the Albanian Riviera. It offers calm waters, scenic views across the Ionian Sea, and easy access to both Sarandë and the historic ruins of Butrint. Whether you visit for a few hours or spend a full day exploring the beaches and nearby islands, it provides a very different side of Albania compared to the larger coastal towns. Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Keep on adventuring.